Hey friend, so I'm sitting here and I'm talking to my husband a couple days ago, and we having a discussion because I'm trying to figure out, when did Dunks get popular? When did Nike Dunks get popular? When I was in high school, we was rocking the Air Force Ones. You know, we always wore the J's. But I'm really trying to remember, when did Nike Dunks get so popular? While y'all find out, let me show y'all these Dunks that I got. Okay, so I went to them boys at Dhgate. You know, it's the only place I go. And I ordered these. I love me a good pair of Dunks. And I really love the colorway. And then on top of that, the material, okay? We ain't talking about regular leather. Let me show you. So this is the box that it came in, tip-top condition. Okay, so the shoes came wrapped. In the box we have not one, but two pair of extra laces, one green, one orange. Now let's get into the shoe. So when I saw these, I just had to have them because, friend, take a look. The shoe is like canvas material, light khaki color, the turquoise canvas, Nike check on the side. These are the Jarritos Nike Dunks. So you got Jarritos on the back. Y'all know Jarritos, you know, like the Mexican drink? Yes, that's what I'm talking about. And then of course here goes the tongue. Since Jarritos is a fruity drink, you know they have to go ahead and put a little fruit splash design on the inside of the shoe. Too cute. Go ahead and take a look at the bottom. Y'all see it? I don't know, y'all. These is coming in real hot. Real hot. I can honestly say I'm feeling these. From the canvas material to the orange and the turquoise. The whole shoe is giving everything it's supposed to give. Okay? Now don't forget, if you can remember when Nike Dunks got popular, go ahead and drop it down in the comment section because my brain is just not working right now. And if you like this shoe or anything else that I show y'all, come shop it with your girl. Okay? Click that link. Go ahead and go get you some. Yeah, I'm feeling these. Too cute. Capture the details. If you like anything that I showed you, including these shoes, go ahead and go get you some.